So here the flip has just happened and now it's working the other side of the part. Let's start cutting in from the top. Let's finish in the corner on this side. Go to the corner on the other side. And then you'll see on the back side, the hole's now on the bottom and it will cut that big area out on top. Just like over here in the shop. So you can see it's feeding at the line of codes. It's running through everything. You'll see just over here in the shop here. So right here, you're seeing over there is this. Let's slide this pin out quick. You see this hole. It's carving. It's going to carve this hole next. It's doing these face corners right now. So that's what's next. Oh, and by the way, this is the right size pin for those holes. Boop. Completely right through. No play. Completely tight. Both sides. Tight. 100% accurate. Right out. Smooth. Perfect. That's what CNC gets you.